Before you start editing videos on V.io, stop for a moment, because most people assume all online video editors are the same. The surprising truth is that V.io combines simplicity with powerful features, but it also has limitations that could affect your workflow. V.io is a cloud-based video editor designed for creators, marketers, and businesses. You won't believe what happens next when you realize you can add subtitles automatically, create templates, remove background noise, and even make social media videos all in your browser without installing software. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume free online editors are basic. V.io's free plan actually offers access to many professional tools like text overlays, audio editing, and simple animations. The catch is a watermark on exported videos unless you upgrade. The paid plans start at around $12 per month for individuals, unlocking watermark-free exports, longer video durations, and premium templates. Teams can opt for higher tier plans that offer collaboration features, cloud storage, and advanced analytics for social media performance. Getting started is simple. Sign up, upload your video, or start a blank project, drag and drop elements, and export. You can use V.io to cut clips, add transitions, apply filters, include captions, or even convert audio to text. It's intuitive for beginners, but still useful for semi-professional content creators. The upside is speed and accessibility. Since it's cloud-based, there's no software installation, and you can work from any device with a browser. Automatic subtitling is a huge time saver, especially for social media videos. The downside is that it can struggle with very large files or advanced effects. Complex video editing like 3D effects, color grading, or frame-by-frame animation is not V.io's strength. Additionally, heavy users may need to upgrade to avoid watermark restrictions and storage limits. The surprising truth about V.io is that it's perfect for creators, marketers, and small businesses who want fast, professional-looking videos without a steep learning curve, but it won't replace high-end desktop editors for advanced projects. If this review helped you understand V.io, subscribe for more video editing software reviews and content creation tips.